Hello coders, welcome to Code with Ganesh channel. This is Ganesh. In GitHub, by mistake, did you create a folder name with incorrect letter case? For example, instead of capital case and you kept it in small case and vice versa, and you want to know how to change it back. So this is the video for you. Let's see how to do that. Currently, I have this services folder with capital S as the first letter. I want to change this to small s, right? So if I just rename this with like a regular pattern, I'm changing this to small s and I'm saving it. And if I go and check the git status, you notice there is no change detected, right? So if you push any code to GitHub now, it will not recognize this services folder name change. So what I'm going to do is I will change this back to the original one. Yep, now this is the original one. To change the letter case, you have to use the git move command, git move, and then move the current services folder to different name. What that will do is that will rename the complete services folder. And again, what you have to do is git move temp, that is like new folder name, and then give the correct name which you wanted to keep it, right? So now if I do this and if I go and check git status, you can see that the services folder changed to services with a small letter as the starting one, right? So let me push these changes to GitHub to see whether it is getting reflected. Changes, push, right? Let me go ahead and then create the PR. So now I created the PR with my changes. Let me merge this change, merging this PR, and let me go back to my repo to see it's get updated, right? And now you can see that the services folder changed to lowercase, right? So this is how you have to change the GitHub letter case. If you want to change completely rename, that will work with a regular pattern. But if you want to change only one letter or couple of letters, the cases, that will not work with the regular pattern.